Hey y'all, I have a whole bunch of PR for the fall, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through everything I got and show you what I have for the fall. So this first big bag is from Catherine. It's a big bag from one of the OGs, Catherine's. If you grew up going to the stores with your grandmothers back in the day, like to get the bras with your grandma or your aunties, some good bras, Catherine's was that girl in Toledo. So, yeah, it's kind of nostalgic to be here now supporting that brand that I have a lot of childhood memories, going in the stores with my grandparents and my aunties getting, walking around the store while they're getting fitted for bras and stuff, and now I get to collab with the brand and do clothes for them as well because they have nice clothes and, they have evolved over the years, so they got some trendy looks, and I'm gonna go through some of them and maybe you guys want to purchase some yourself. So first, should have what it is on. These are some jeans. I don't know if you can see it. So if you're short like me, I'm 5'4", they fit right there by my ankle. So if you're wearing like some shoes that you want to show off, or some nice boots for the fall, or pumps, these are really cute with that. And it has like this stretchy material on the back side, so if you have a little more butt in the back, you covered. That's that. Put it over here on the table. This is the belt that goes for one of the cardigans that they got me. I mean, they fit me. All right, this is a giveaway. I already have this from last season when they sent me some goodies. This is one of the, show it right here. But I wore this robe last season when they sent me some things. I actually have an extra silk, what is it? I think it's a silk highlighter.
Mommy.
My son. Okay, so I actually have an extra silk robe and set that I will display right here. That's going to be a part of a giveaway. To go with this belt. So I'm going to show you the cardigan and I'm going to show you the look right here. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, a little bit about me. I've been making content for myself and my lifestyle since 2018. I started, and like it's 2026 and I'm just now getting love from brands and being in a space where I'm able to collaborate with brands to do brand deals. So this is such a blessing to me. So here is the cardigan. All right, so these are the red heels that they sent me. Isn't it so cute? It has this belted bow. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And I love, it's like an inch heel, not too much, because you can style this with some jeans, with some nice pants, with a dress, and if you're about to be up on your feet a long time, look, not too much. Super excited about that. And then you get all these magazines and lookbooks when you order from Catherine. So alright, now here is the robe I was telling you about. It's the pink robe. If you know me, I love pink. Love pink. Look how comfy and soft it is. This is terry cloth as well. Alright, I'm super excited about this. Oh my god. I have a sweater on right now, but it's okay. I got air conditioning on, so we shouldn't be too hot. So this is the short style robe. So it's not super long like my the blue robe that I ordered last, was in the spring collab that I did with them. But it still gets the job done. This is a 2X, y'all. Nice and soft and comfy. All right, so let's move along. So here's another package. This is not a PR package like the other things was. This is like a little treat I got for myself because you know red is going to be in this fall. So I got a little purse from Coach. This is their Plaza 18 back purse. So I am looking to, so I saw different ways you can wear this. Of course, you can hook up a little latch and you can wear it like this. Of course, you can wear it like that. But my goal is to gold chain, extension chain to this, and then extend it like a crossbody purse all the way around. So that's my goal, is to do with this purse, wear it like a crossbody purse, put my extended gold chain that I have upstairs. I should have brought it down so I can show y'all. That's what I'm planning to do. I also will be wearing it the traditional way like this as well with outfits. I did see women on TikTok, they're putting this, I don't know if you can see it, they'll go ahead and hook the loop right here and wear it as a chain purse as well, and that's cute too. So you wear it different ways. This is not PR, this is something I purchased for the fall as well. The Target hit your girl up with PR. This is a pretty green bag that I saw online, perfect for the fall, especially since I'm trying to be a shoulder strap girl now. Isn't it cute? To be walking around downtown, getting a coffee, and bang! Show off your green purse. No, it's fine. But anyway, this is super cute. I have a style that I'm going to be rocking with this. So stay tuned for that. All right. And for the grand finale, this is not PR either. This is what I bought for myself too. Yes. Like I said, red is going to be in, burgundy is going to be in for this fall, and I got me some, I don't know, what would you call it? It looks like alligator, but it's not. This is from Comfort View plus size shoe brand, and I got it off the Walmart website. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my Walmart storefront, so you'll find these there. These wide leg jeans on. Let's see if I can hike it up. I'll show y'all my boots. So I got these, like I was saying, I got these boots in a size 9 wide. I know they offer medium, wide, and wide. So I actually could have fitted a medium because it's pretty. It has this stretch. It's like stretchy material, and it has a stretch, like band at the top. So you can see, yes. And I have a couple looks for these shoes as well. Stay tuned for that. So this is my fall haul for the fall that's coming, pre-fall haul. I will be showing y'all some pre-fall looks this week. So stay tuned for that. See you next time.